What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use your existing customers to get you new customers in your wash business. You see this patio behind me right here? I'm about to wash this, and this is all I'm going to do on this house today. It may seem counterproductive, but I'm going to show you exactly how doing one small job for an existing customer will get you new customers in the same neighborhood. Stay tuned. So like I said, this is the patio that I'm going to be washing. This is an existing customer I have. I come here 4 times a year. That may seem counterproductive to what you're used to. Normally, if you say you want to go to a house, you want to take care of all their services in one shot. With this customer, I don't. I come here first thing in March and I clean all their gutters for them. This is a 3,000 square foot house. It's got upper level gutters up there. I don't know if you can see them. Lower ones down here along the porch, all the way around the front. It's a Cape Cod style home on the front, 2-story on the back here, as you can see. So like I said, I do their gutters in March. I come back in April, like it is now, and I do their patio and their deck. I come back in June, once the pollen is done that we have in this area in upstate New York, and I wash the house for them every year. Then I come back again in November, clean the gutters again. It may seem, why would you come here 4 times? Why don't you just knock all those services out at once? Well, for one, the gutter cleaning has got to be done twice a year, spring and fall. I charge them $250 a time. That's $500 for 2 gutter cleanings. I clean this patio and that deck right there. Again, it's $250. Now we're up to $750. This is a 3,000 square foot house. It's a $550 house wash. I do have to come here 4 different times, but I'm going to show you exactly why I come here 4 times. Walk around to the front of the house for me and see if you pick up on where my thinking goes. This neighborhood, look at the houses. Sorry, you have to listen to the neighbor's leaf blower going. One thing you won't see on any of these houses: there's no vinyl siding. There's no house under 3,000 square feet. Everything in this neighborhood is a large single-family home, very expensive. Also, where you see that car turning right there, that road loops around, comes out right over there. The main road is just past that stop sign. This loop around road is the bus stop for this neighborhood. You'll also notice right there, my yard sign. I come here 4 times a year and I put out a yard sign 4 times a year. And all of these parents that are dropping off and picking up from this bus stop see this house, clean as could be. They see my yard sign. I will get every single one of them that sees that. That's why I come here 4 times a year. Something simple as that. Like I said, it may seem like a bad idea to keep coming back to the same house for small jobs, but another advantage is I only live 2 miles away. So again, just think of little things like that. I don't do it for every customer. I'm not going to give them different services coming back, smaller ones like that, especially the house wash and the patio. But they like to have it done that way, and I'm not going to tell them no. I'm going to do it in 4 different stops. I'll do 2 gutter cleans, a house wash, and a deck patio wash. I do that, just like I said, just because of this location. I can leave my yard sign out there several times. They're very good. They book with me well in advance. They pick their date well in advance. They know when I'm going to be here. They pay up every time. And I also, the first couple times I was here, I left them my discount card. It's not just a business card. It says, hey, refer a friend, neighbor, or family member. You get $25 off your next service. I know they're going to schedule me anyway. That $25 isn't going to make or break me, but they will, people in this neighborhood, talk. They will tell their neighbors in these other beautiful houses with all cedar siding. You see all the tree cover and everything that's around here. Trees are great for organic growth. They shade everything. There's pine trees everywhere. If you had a clear-cut neighborhood where everything is leveled right down to nothing but sand, and then they build houses everywhere and plant tiny little trees, there's going to be no organic growth. That neighborhood's going to be clean for years. This neighborhood is always dirty. This cedar siding that you see just on the neighbor's house behind me here and my customer's house, not everybody knows how to clean that. I do. You have to be able to soft wash that. That's why I'll treat this customer like this a little bit different. So you can use your existing customers, know your neighborhoods, know what your customers are like, know how to clean every surface, and you can use your existing customers to get 10 new ones in the same neighborhood. Pay attention to the bus routes. Families are key. People who live in single family homes with kids have large houses, and they will spend money to keep it clean. Trust me on that. You will make money catering towards families. Make sure you like and subscribe. I've got to clean this patio, and I've got 4 more houses to do today. Thanks.